Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Prowler from Fortnite. Okay, let's go in with the top of the head. So he's got a mask on, so I'm going to do a curve around the top here. So I'm going to start up there. Let's just curve all the way around to the top there. Nice, okay. We can continue down now to his chin. So I'm going to put a line on about here. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just continue through here, down here. His jaw would be to his chin. Same here, so where his cheekbone is, where his jaw is, down to his chin. Nice, alright. Okay, going around his shoulders and his neck area, he's got like a cape on. So what I'm going to do from here, it's going to do a circle that sort of goes around like that, sort of like an uneven circle. Let's just go around that again, like that. Okay. It's a little bit where it just moves down a bit here, so I'm just going to put a line in there. Okay, next up, just going to do where his shoulders will be, so it's about here. Same thing, shoulders are going to be around about there. And then we're just going to join these up. So that's where his cape goes around his body, like that. Okay. You see a bit of his neck area as well, around here, so I'm going to go down there. Maybe just a bit in where it'll fill in later on where his neck will be. Okay. Right, let's look at this arm area. So his shoulder comes out, then down. Then we'll just do his bicep area here. Nice, okay. We'll then look at the other arm. So that's going to come out here. So I'm going to just join up the bicep area here. Just a bit there as well. And let's look at his torso. So we know he's got a strap area on here actually. So I'm just going to draw a line around curve here and another line around curve under. I'm just going to join this up. So his torso is going to be about here and here. So I'm going to start about here where his chest area is and just move down to the torso like so. Same here. He's got like armor on as well around this side. So I'm just going to make it a bit bumpy and uneven like this, just down to there. Okay. Right, he's got a belt on, so I'm just going to draw around here and move up to the center of the belt and just around again. Okay, let's just draw around here. I've got some big pockets on the belts. Big pocket there. And we'll just join that up, circle out in the middle a bit, and again there. So we've got the belt area in. It's got a secondary sort of belt hanging down here too, so let's put a circle right there. Then it's got a bit of a buckle, so I'm just going to pop a rectangle on the end of it and then join that up here. Let's do a line here where his leg will be, and then the rest of this belt just come out and around like this, out here. That's the belt. Let's pop the rest of his legs in, so just pop an area there. And then we'll do the longer part of his leg to his knee, draw down here. And then from here on the belt, I think, down to about there. Like that. Same on this side, so I think the knee's going to be around here. Draw it down. Same here. Just draw down like that. We've got an area now where we know his arms are going to be. So I'm just going to do the forearms coming down here. And down here. Same here. Forearm coming down to about there. It's got like some clawed gloves on, so I'm going to go to a point where his hand is, where the thumb is there. So I'm just going to draw it out, and the spike area where the thumb is there, and then it's got sort of talons. He's gripping a little bit, so I'm going to do end of his finger there, and just pointer it in like that. And let's do that 4 times for each of the fingers. And 4. We can join that up there, join that there. For this side, he's got his thumb coming out here, so to a pincer, like that. Then he's got them coming around, so I'm going to go 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Just join that up there. Nice, okay. He's got knee pads on. So let's just draw a line here and a line here at the top of the knee pads. This then goes down to the shin, so I'm just going to do a straight line down, and we'll go back up and just meet it there, and we'll just join that up. Let's do the same here, down to about there, join it up and up. This now means we can do the back of his leg where the calf is down to here. So he's got kind of boots on the straps and things, so I'm just going to draw up to here, then we can draw down to there where the shoe will be. Same here, just move out and down like that. His boots are quite chunky, so from here I'm going to start moving down where his laces will be to the end of his boot, and then around, back around here. Same on this side, down where his boots will be, around and around again. Let's just link those up because they're quite chunky boots. And he seems to have a lot of sort of straps on them as well, so we can just put a couple of rectangles in as well, just around here. These parts here are strapped up too, so I think we can just put a strap like this at the top here, maybe another strap there. So we can do the same here. Let's pop those straps in. Let's just pop a little bit of detail on these. So I think there's like a circular area which leads up to the top, so I can just pop a circle in and then go down and out. Same on this side, like a semicircle down and stop. It's got a couple of straps on this part of his upper leg, so we can just do a couple of lines here for one strap and a couple of lines there for the next strap. Okay, let's look at the chest area. So like I say earlier, he's got like some sort of strapping on here, so from the edge of the belt I'm going to work up like that. Then I can just draw that line up there to here. Then what we can do is just match these up, a few little lines in here. Okay, I think he's got it on the same side as well, so I'm going to draw another line out here and just show that a bit on that side, and then we can join that up. Because his body's sort of tilted that way, it's fine. He's got a skull going on in the centre where his chest is here, so I think what I'm going to do is put a dot here and a dot here. And that's where the angles are going to go for the eyes of the skull. So I'm just going to do a line up and a line up here. Then I'm going to do a line down, line down. Let's see, I think that sort of goes in a little bit like so. Then it comes back out, so another line underneath. One up here, up to there. Then we can do a line down here, up into the cape. And then on here what we can do is just move out here, go up to there. This then moves out around here, so we can just go up here, join that up. One about there, line there, join that up. And I think this kind of comes down like that and then joins up in the middle, like this. Then got a bit of armour on, so I'm going to do a line from this pincer point here to there, a line to there. We can now join that up with a bit of an arrowhead. 1, 2. Let's show off that armour there. Okay, for his arms, he's got quite a lot of armour on. So this shoulder area here is like purple armour. So to show that off, we can just do a line in there. Then we can do another line down here. Cap that off here. Same thing here, we just draw a line there and out. It's got some strapping on, so we can just put some lines in like this. Some lines in here. Next up, he's got some armour on this forearm, so we can draw a line here and a line here, and then one there, just join that up to there. A couple of bits of strapping again, so a couple of lines in just to show that strapping on there. Same on this side, draw a line there, and we can just put a line alongside it here. Just go up because his hand's rotated around. We'll just do one little piece there, go along here. Then we can pop those straps in. Nice, okay. Let's get that cape in. So the cape is coming down here, flowing along, going around into here, around again, sort of two little pieces to the cape. So what I'm going to do is start at the corner there, and just do a nice little line, curve it along and up. Then I'm going to do another line around like that. Then I'm going to go in here, out, around, curve, and back up. Then this cape matches up to this part here, so the matching area part here. Just draw a line down there. There we go. Let's do the face area. So first of all, in the center, I think we're going to do two little triangles where his eyes are going to be. So 1, 2. So that's where his white eyes will be. Then what I'll do above is a line and another line. Just do another line like this angle, just around the eyes. Then we can do the same sort of line again, just higher and not as long across. Then we can just fill in just around there and above the top of the eye. Okay, this black area now goes underneath. Just join it up here, just around the eye, like a big triangle area around him. Then he's got little areas, just like little dagger areas, just below his eyes as well. There's a few pieces of detail on the mask. So I'm going to go from this eye down, like this, like a line, and a line here, just to show off the mask. Same thing with the top. It seems to be one that sort of goes up around here, and around here, and then I think that'll do actually with that one. Let's fill in all the black areas on this picture. So I'm going to fill in here. Okay, next up, let's get a cool purple colour for Prowler's body armour. So start with his head. I'll leave a little bit of white just on the edge. Cool. Next up, let's do the armours on his arms. Like purple area around the skull area of there, so let's just fill that in. Then it's got his armour just on here. Fill that in. Same on this side. And then we can do his cape as well. Just going to leave a little bit of white on that side, just to kind of show it flowing. Next up, get a nice dark grey. Let's fill in where his arms are here, and here on the forearm. And then let's do his trousers as well, they're quite dark. Let's just fill in a little bit of this hand. Yeah, that's it. Just to do a little semicircle, fill that in. Let's do around here as well, because this is sort of his cape area. So that's going to be quite dark. Fill in around there. And then let's just fill in this part here too. So just get the purple back and just fill in this part underneath there. That's cool. Right, let's get a green. A nice green, and let's fill in this skull area he's got. I'm going to leave a little bit at the top, just around there, just to show the light bouncing off it, just to make your picture pop a little bit. let's get a lighter grey, and we'll just fill in where the belt is, the belt buckle, and just where his claws are as well. It's got like sheeny claws. Just fill those in, and then these buckles as well. So let's just put a bit of a ground in behind him, and then he's got a lot of sort of crackling energy, so I'm just going to do some zigzags around here. So just do a zigzag line and then do another zigzag line around this, coming all off his hand areas, like spark areas coming off. So just do a zigzag and then another zigzag around. Just do some more light bouncing off there. What I'm going to do is going to get a lighter pink colour, and we're just going to colour around that. Just do lines around it, fill in as you wish. Sort of show that energy sort of bouncing off. So I'm going to leave it like a little bit of white around the line. So I just sort of want to follow the zigzag line, the lines I've made, just to show that energy sort of popping off, coming off around his hands. That's cool. What I'll do is use that pink colour again and just ground him like a nice neon pink flooring. And that is Prowler. Thanks for watching.